Hey! Today we will discuss about the ethical considerations in machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a powerful technology, whose application to the web promises to bring benefits and enable compelling new user experiences. But there is also increasing awareness that its applications can create harms, intentional and unintentional, that impact individual users, communities and society. Let us look into the various general ethical issues in machine learning. The accuracy of a machine learning model is the proportion of examples for which it generates a correct output. In general, high accuracy is a good thing, and low accuracy can lead to harms. For example, where facial recognition systems are used in law enforcement. But highly accurate facial recognition systems can also pose risks to privacy and autonomy. Example: mass surveillance. Accuracy may be a useful measure where an area has a clear, objective ground truth. Example: vehicle license plate recognition. But many areas of human judgment are nuanced, messy and contextual, and simple accuracy risks being too reductive a measure. The next issue is bias. Concerns about bias are particularly prominent where negative outcomes disproportionately affect individuals or groups who are vulnerable or historically marginalized. Where the unfair treatment relates to protected characteristics such as race, gender, disability or sexuality, bias can constitute illegal discrimination, depending on relevant laws. There are a number of causes of bias ranging from issues with data to algorithmic design and human perception and decision-making. Next is safety and security. Safety includes that an ML system should be accurate, but also that it should be reliable, secure, and robust enough to do these things in real-world, unpredictable and sometimes challenging conditions. Safety is a broad concern, but is particularly relevant where the failure of ML systems could result in real-world harm, for example with medical diagnosis or self-driving cars. One of the main issues in machine learning is privacy. There are a number of ways in which ML systems can pose risks to privacy. One is where systems that undermine privacy operate without a user's knowledge or explicit, informed consent. This is true of systems that undermine privacy explicitly, surveillance systems, but also where undermining privacy is a potential byproduct of intended, legitimate use. Example: if an ML system which has access to a user's video camera. The accuracy of the predictions of ML systems may also present risks. Just as the outputs of sensor APIs could be used to identify, fingerprint or correlate user activity. Example: if the output is too precise. Some of the other ethical issues in machine learning are fairness, transparency, accountability, human control and decision-making. That's all about the ethical considerations of machine learning.